Welcome, my beautiful viewers and subscriber. This is your girl Sonia from Sonia Creative Kitchen. And for today, I am going to make some oven roast chicken wings. So follow me panda one here. So right here, I have my chicken wing already washed and clean. And right over here, I have all of my ingredients. So now I have onion powder. I have some garlic sauce. I have smoked paprika. I have some cayenne pepper, little bit of black pepper, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and I have some Maggi chicken seasoning, some blend up green seasoning, and I have cornstarch, and I have baking powder. So now I am going to start the process of seasoning up my chicken wings. So now I'm going to add my Maggi all-purpose, Maggi chicken seasoning. I'm gonna add a pinch of black pepper, some cayenne pepper, like it's spicy, smoked paprika, garlic salt, and now my blended green seasoning. Then I'm gonna rub this all in, massage it well. Guys, it smells good. Smell real good. This is a very easy recipe. Anyone could try this at home. Now I'm gonna add my onion powder. I'm just eyeballing everything here, guys. Smells so good. Smell amazing. Look at this. So now I am going to add my cornstarch and my baking powder. Guys, the cornstarch and the baking powder make it crispy and crunchy and tender. Oh, I can't wait to get into this. So now I'm gonna add them right here. Wow, look at these, juicy and nice. So guys, now that I have my chicken wing on the tray, I'm going to go ahead now and spray some avocado oil. Just to let the chicken express crispy. I think this is enough. So now I am going to add it into my oven. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Smell amazing. So now guys, I'm going to go ahead now and make my sweet and sour chili sauce to go with my oven roast chicken wing. So watch the process. So now I'm going to turn my stove on. I'm going to add my sugar. And this is white sugar, or we Jamaican call it granulated sugar. I'm going to add my garlic. Some dice of onion. Now I'm going to add the water. Some water. Give it a nice stir. I'm going to add my chili flakes. You can give it a nice stir. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead and add my ketchup. And I am going to allow everything to come to a boil. I have some lime juice here. And I have some vinegar. So guys, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Everything is coming along nicely. Smells good. So guys, if you want, you can add more chili flakes if you like the heat. So now I'm going to mix my cornstarch. Just a little bit at a time. Mix it in well. This is going to help it to thicken. Look at this, guys. See? So guys, now I am going to allow this to simmer for 5 minutes. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Guys, look at this sauce. My sweet and sour chili sauce. So the cornstarch help to give it the thickness. Look at this, guys, bubbling nicely. See? Look. Guys, my sweet and sour chili sauce is ready. My oven roast chicken wing is ready. Next time you see me, I'll be digging in this goodness. Guys, from you see me, you know what I go on now, so come have a look with me. Look on this. Look. at Sonia Creative Kitchen. The one here, out of this world, trust me. So, I'm gonna take a bite.
Into the mouth. Nice.
Guys, wanna see it for yourself. Only thing wanna just can't taste it. But trust me, it's shot. And I don't even reach at the sweet and sour chili sauce yet. I'm gonna take a dip in it still. So watch me. Oh, look at this, guys. Ooh, pure goodness. Guys, flavor a burst in my mouth, as Jamaica don't say. That one here a bust in my mouth. Guys, my daughter over there so I laugh, but trust me, it's bad. This without oil, shot. Nah, make nothing waste. Me? You see me I enjoy, nothing left on the bone. They're so good. Guys, bone clean. And me, guys, me not have to fry no chicken again. All me have to do is do my oven roast chicken and it come out just as good. Trust me. Trust me, guys. Oh boy. It's so nice. Me have to eat this twice. Guys, this tastes good. So guys, we have made it to the end of our video. But before I go, I would like to big up my graphic designer for my merch, Earl Edwards. Earl, big up yourself. So guys, if any of you guys need any merch, just link me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember say, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.